Elevate your display ad game with these 3 powerhouse tips, optimizing them to champion your campaigns. Tip number 1, visual mastery. Your visuals need to turn heads. Create display ads that are visually appealing and ensure they are harmonious with your brand aesthetics. Utilize high-quality images, bold colors, and concise text that calls out to viewers. A/B test different visual elements to discern what truly captivates your audience and drives engagement. Tip number 2, precision in placement. Strategically place your ads where they matter most. Dive into your analytics. Where does your audience spend most of the time online? Understand their journey and select placements that naturally intertwine with their digital path. Add placements on relevant websites and platforms, amplify your reach and boost conversion potential. Tip number 3, adapt and automate. Harness the power of Google's responsive display ads. Upload an array of headlines, descriptions, and images. Let Google's machine learning algorithm auto-optimize combinations, ensuring your ad is tailored to suit diverse audiences and contexts, maximizing impact and conversions. Boom! Your display ads are now armed with the essentials to captivate, convert, and conquer the digital realm. Iterate, innovate, and continue scaling those peaks. Stay tuned for more swift tips to skyrocket your ad campaigns. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos like this one.